Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hatch golden eggs in Grow a Garden. So in this Easter update, you can get a golden egg like this. This one, it looks like this. And you can get a golden egg from the egg wall of fan. And once you already have one, the hatching process is actually super easy. First, just go back to your normal garden like this, and then just open your inventory, take out your golden eggs and place it in your garden like this. And after that, all you need to do is wait for 30 minutes. And once the time is up, you can interact with the eggs and hatch it. And the best part is you will get a random rewards, which could be any special pets. So make sure you don't miss out and start hatching your golden eggs now. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.